All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the pre-market prep. I hope you are having an amazing morning. Hope you guys had an incredible day yesterday. Good morning, Peter. How are you doing today?
Carlos, I am absolutely fantastic. It is Christmas Eve. As you can tell, I am totally in the Christmas spirit. I've got my holiday tropical shirt on for all those that are celebrating in warm countries, and the Christmas vest here for, of course, the winter climes. So I'm ready. I'm ready to go. And I love Christmas. So as you may notice, Carlos, on the other hand, you're feeling a little Grinch-like over there. Carlos, what's you gotta?
Yeah, man. I've been this is my favorite time of the year. I even got my hat here and everything, but I'm just feeling so under the weather, man. I'm just trying to get through it right now.
Don't worry, man. I'll pick up the slack for you. Let me do two things here this morning for you. In my family, what we've been doing the last little while, we're all about Christmas experiences, and I thought I would share two experiences with you this morning. First. One of the experiences we have is I like to introduce you to one of our Christmas staples here. Of course, everybody has a traditional Christmas frog, right? Doesn't everybody have a traditional Christmas frog? A singing Christmas frog? No? Really? That surprises me. I mean, how isn't that a classic sign of Christmas? We don't actually know how this Christmas frog came into our family, but he's been around for 20 years now, and he's been alive the whole time. He's magical because he sings, and we have never once replaced the batteries, so we do not know how he's powered. He just exists. Here, let him sing for you. Huh?
Your AI blocking is not giving us anything.
Oh, no.
That's right. Nothing.
You can't hear it?
Nope.
Oh, man.
I'm telling you, your noise cancellation blocks out anything that's like not human. Like if it's not a human voice frequency, it just blocks it. Like we don't hear rings, we don't hear nothing.
How do you turn that off? Hold on.
I don't know, man.
I'm gonna eliminate there. Now, how about? Can you hear him now?
No.
I turned off the noise removal. No, hold on. Original sound.
Now we hear a frog. Yeah, we got it now.
There you go. The Christmas frog. You know, he's a unique part of our family here. Anyways, I thought I'd share him with you. He's my daughter's constant companion over the holidays. When she was young, she would just press that on repeat, and it would drive my wife crazy. So now it's just humorous thing. Anyways, All right, Christmas frog. That was one. Number two for this morning, I'm going to issue you all a Christmas challenge. So I said, we're all about experiences. Your experience for this morning, I want to see how many of you can count how many different hats, Christmas hats, I will be wearing over the course of this broadcast. That's your challenge. How many different Christmas hats will I wear over the course of this broadcast? There may be other things going on, changing, but, you pay attention to the hats. All right? That's your Christmas challenge for this morning.
Absolutely.
So
sounds good to me, my friend.
All right. Then we can get on with actual trading. It is a half day. We should probably start by saying, Carlos, let's go into the economic calendar. It is and actually, I didn't even look. I was so excited about Christmas stuff. I didn't even look at what the numbers are. But they did come out. We've got initial jobless claims that are slightly lower than forecast at 214,000 versus 224. Isn't that a perfect number for today? 224,000. Anyways, here on the 24th of Christmas, or of December. And then the, that would be a terrible number, 19 million. continuing jobless. No, it's 1.9 million. 1.923 million is the actual number for the continuing jobless claims. We didn't really have a forecast on that one, so we didn't know what to expect. So don't expect much from the market. That's it. That's it for today. That's going to bring us into the Christmas holiday, which starts at 1 p.m., all right? Markets close at 1. So if any of you haven't experienced a partial day in the markets, any day where the markets close early, normally you get more or less a regular open until it might end a little earlier. The volume might taper off and things usually calm down. I say usually, of course, because sometimes you just get these massive moves because the volume's not here to sort of keep things stable. Every once in a while, we'll get things just go absolutely nuts, and it can create some awesome trading. I remember Christmas a couple of years ago, anyways, we had just amazing moves right before the holidays. But normally, that's not what you should expect. So we'll see what happens today.
All right, excellent, friends. Let's get right to it, friends. Quick look at our trading terminal gappers list brought to you by the one and only tradingterminal.com. So make sure you check that out. Tons of trading tools there for you that are available to make your trading a lot easier and hopefully more profitable, especially with that Market Atlas, man. It has really been a game changer for a lot of people, ourselves included here. We're using it every morning. So again, check it out, tradingterminal.com. This morning, a couple of things in the green. Let's get right to it. AGIO is the first one on deck. Looks a little bit messy. Probably won't be on my list. We are up 12.9 here. Algeos Pharmaceutical. Big candle starting out the pre-market session here and just trading within that candle at the moment. 336,000 shares traded. Was halted today on some news, looks like. So we do got a T here for trading resume. Peter, anything good happening on this one that might be worth watching?
Yeah, this is a biotech, Agios Pharmaceuticals. The FDA has approved their, I don't even know what the AQVESME. That's not even a word. There's not enough vowel action going on in there. Anyways, however you think you're supposed to say that, they've approved it. It provides support for anemia in adults with alpha or beta thalassemia. Anyways, they got FDA approval. Moving up, we don't normally focus on the biotechs.
Yeah, not my cup of tea here. Continuing, friends, FJET continues on the list this morning, this time gapping up 12%. At the moment, 833,000 shares traded, sitting on the American Stock Exchange. Normally, I don't like this ticker. We saw it yesterday. Again, it was a little bit messy. We do have shares for sure on it. On SSR, giving the sell-off yesterday. Probably, again, not going to be on my list. I had it yesterday, but probably today I'm not going to watch it. Peter, your thoughts on it as it continues to make some noise here?
Yeah, they had their jump after the initial news. I don't think it's going to be tradable today. I mean, it wasn't actually all that bad yesterday if you took it short, and the volume was there, but the volume had dropped off right from the previous day, but it was still good, 14 and almost 15 million yesterday. So it's a possible, but I don't think so.
Yeah, don't like it, my friends, guys. Hopefully you're paying attention. Attention. Okay.
Focusing?
Okay. Yeah. Focus in. All right, let's take a look here. We have, hold on, PAF. Let's go to trading terminal here. We have PAF. I've seen this ticker before. Here's PAF. I don't recall how it traded. UiPath is the name of the company itself, at least here on Dash Trader Pro. Normally doesn't trade very well. Very interesting action over the last couple of hours. Starting last night, got a nice pop up all the way to 1680. Since then, has been moving sideways, so I'm not sure how well it's going to trade. It is up 7.8. It does have 1 million shares traded. It is not a low flow, sitting at 426 million shares flow. So pretty high up there. Peter, anything good on this one? I mean, it looks good. On paper, it looks good. What's your thoughts?
It's going to be joining the S&P Midcap 400. So it's set to join one of the indices, and that usually gets a little more volume. I don't think it's going to be tradable, but it's there.
All right, there we go, friends. As we continue here, next is going to be ZETA. So ZETA this morning, we are up 4 0.9, 332,000 shares traded. Pre-market action, not that exciting as you can see here. Not a whole lot going on this morning. Yeah, won't be on my list, guys. I really don't think this is in play. We got a nice gap up here of 5%, but I don't really think this is in play this morning.
No, I agree. Not really in play. I don't really see any news on it. And for anybody wondering, yes, this counts as a hat.
100%. 100%. Good morning to our friends on YouTube and X as well. I think in X we're live also there. Let me just check, make sure that feed is running. But let's continue here, friends, over on our trading terminal gappers. It's ASTS, another one that tends to make a lot of noise here. We are up 4.1, 602,000 shares traded. Up at the moment, and we are seeing a little bit of action here. This one is a hit or miss. Like I can see this one being on deck this morning. I like the daily, possible breakout here on the daily, so could be interesting. This is Peter's favorite space mobile that Peter loves to do. So I might add this on here.
Yeah, I mean, I do like the space stuff. This one has been moving over the last couple of days. So it's it's got a little bit of increased volume. It's not an easy trading stock, but it's possible. I just feel like it's going to take off, pun sort of intended, any given day. It's not that active. It's not active enough, Carlos. I think that I would put it on my list.
Yeah, we'll leave this one alone, my friends. Let's continue here. Back to our trading terminal gappers list. Let's take a look. Yeah, I saw that. I'm going to check that now, Rican. XD. I'm going to check that in a second here. Let me get to the gap up, and we'll take a look at RDW. RDW this morning, we are up 33.2%, 338,000 shares traded. And for the most part, again, not doing a whole lot. Redwire Corporation is the ticker name, so we do have some activity here, but for the most part, yeah, I've seen this ticker before. Won't be on my list, Peter. Looks a little bit messy to me, even pre-market, so gonna skip on it today.
Yeah, I agree. Not one that I want to pay a lot of attention to either, so I don't think it's actively in play. It's an aerospace and defense company, but I don't even really see any news on it. So there's like some analyst reports on it, but I don't know. It doesn't look good enough for me.
Yeah, yep, don't like it. All right, we'll leave this one alone, friends. Let's continue here with a few more. We got two more here, Nike and QBTS. So let's take a look at Nike. Nike this morning, we are up 8.2 at the moment, 1.1 million shares traded. If you guys remember, we had the big drop on this one just a few days ago on their earnings, not doing so hot, not selling sneakers, having problems with Foot Locker and store space in retail areas. So that has just not been treating it well. So this morning, I gotta get those Air Jordans. Yeah, I don't know, man. That's a whole different era. That era, I don't know. I'm not sure. But Peter, Nike's here trying to recover, trying to maybe close a gap, you think?
Oh, hey, Carlos. Look at that. You're here with me.
Very nice.
Driving the truck. How do I get
I love that.
There's Carlos.
Love that.
There he is. Anyway. All right. Yeah, it's a little garbagey. I don't like trading Nike. Maybe it is time to buy Air Jordans because apparently no one else is, especially if you're in China. Sales were down sharply in China, and their guidance was a lot weaker than anticipated. So and that's really why it dropped. This is just sort of the so-called dead cat bounce. It's just bouncing a little bit. As you normally expect. I mean, the company's not dead. Let's not get overexcited. It's just down to about the level that it had moved down to in April, which is still, why can't I get more data? Yeah, so which is a low for the last few years. Like, it hasn't been down this low since 2017. So not a good look for Nike, certainly, but you could reasonably expect this to bounce. Some insiders were trying to support the stock by buying in, or at least giving a show. I'm always suspicious. Like Tim Cook, for example, made a buy, just to show that he was buying. And I see Jesse mention that. But Jesse, keep in mind, he bought 50,000 shares. So, just not to poo-poo that, but that's a $2.9 million buy. I'm just, it's not. That feels more like a show buy, right? Timothy Cook, I have no idea. Let's see if we can find this quickly. What do you think Timothy Cook's net worth is? If it's not 40, 50 million, I'd be. So Timothy Cook has a net worth of $2.6 billion. So the fact that he put $3 million into the stock, that's like you and I going out to dinner. It doesn't really mean much, right? So
yeah,
putting
it into perspective.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. So if he was really all in on it, then he'd really he'd be jumping in with a lot more. Of course, am I looking up the right guy? This may be Tim Cook, Apple Tim Cook.
So that's another different type of situation there.
No, it is Apple's Tim Cook that buys the $3 million in stock. Whatever. So he added to his portfolio. Yeah, it's like a new pair. It's like him buying a pair of Air Jordans. There you go. That's about what the doesn't change your life, but sure, whatever. Add it to the closet.
Yeah. All right, friends. Let's continue here. That one more, and then it covers our gap up. It's going to be QBTS. I know Rigetti and some others have been making some noise here, but here's QBTS this morning, and we are up 2.5, 458,000 shares traded. So we definitely have seen some movement out of this one. Rigetti in the last couple of days. Rigetti being one that usually tends to get more attention because they get the more volume. So Rigetti, here it is. Rigetti, there it is. Rigetti up 1.2, 368,000 shares traded. So, anything on the quantum stuff with QBTS being the only one on the list this morning?
Not a lot of news there. The quantum has been moving. There's been some good trading on the quantum over the last couple of days if you've wanted to take it. So the opportunity is there for sure, but I don't, again, it's not super special today, but its average day is not that bad. So if you want to watch it, then by all means.
All right, excellent. All right, NVO, last one on here. NVO. So NVO, my friends, for the last one this morning, was 2.1% up today, 769,000 shares traded. If you guys remember, this thing had good news under a pill for obesity or weight loss, whatever you want to call that one. They got some good approvals today. They're up slightly with 770,000 shares traded. Yesterday did not trade well. If you look at the market open yesterday, it was very, very choppy. I mean, just look at it here. Didn't really give us a great movement one way or the other. Later in the day, it did. Looks like it gave you a nice little drop there around 1 o'clock into the afternoon. But other than that, it was very, very difficult to trade. Not a whole lot of activity. As this news kind of loses its steam here, it's probably not going to be great today, Pierre. That's my thoughts. I'm probably not going to watch it. What do you like about it today, if anything?
Yeah, I agree. It didn't trade all that well yesterday. Not a surprise. It did have a move later in the sort of midday where it traded decent, but you really got to be careful with this one at the open. It's not one that I would spend a lot of time watching unless you like it and you've got some patience. Remember, you only have half a day. So these stocks that take a while to get going, this may not be their day for it because they don't really have, they've got a shortened opportunity to really take advantage of a move. So.
Yeah. All right. And that is it for a gap up, friends. So that is everything we have on here. Peter, anything you like in the gap up this morning that might be good today in play?
Well, one that we were looking at yesterday, and the last couple of days actually, that has traded well is Amazon. Amazon is gapping up this morning, and it made some decent moves yesterday. Surprisingly, it's not one that I normally take a look at. Another one that's gapping higher this morning that's also making a similar move is Google. So they both have had decent moves there, and so they're worth watching. Tesla, of course, gapping marginally higher this morning. Yesterday was well, not great, Carlos. I got to say, it's but this morning, right now, we're moving higher. It's up. It's up almost $2 in the last 15 minutes or so. So, is today the day when it defies Carlos and goes over 500? I don't know. I mean, we're right back to the same starting price that we were at on Monday and we were at on Tuesday. So, so this is day 3 of this week. There's only been 3 days this week, and it's opening pretty much at the same price every single day, no matter what it does, right? Up or down, it seems to end up at this same price. So we'll see.
I think today and Friday has the least amount of chance to do that.
Yeah. Well.
But we'll see.
Maybe with some of the supporting volume gone, right? This is when the fans can actually move it a little more aggressively. So consider that, right?
The fans are all in, man. The fans are all in from like 3 something. They got no more buying power. They bought everything of this. That's it. They're all in. So we'll see.
Well,
we'll see.
We'll see. Maybe they'll spend their Christmas money on some more Tesla stock.
Yeah. All right, friends, that covers our gap up. Gapping down, only one this morning is going to be INTC. So INTC, as you can see here, I'm going to type that one in. INTC, that's a good pre-market activity this morning. So look at that, down to 3.2 at the moment. But look at the start of around 6 o'clock in the morning. They get a beautiful drop, double bottom here. They bounce back up, and now it's just kind of flat. So very great pre-market activity. Can it take this into the market open? Because we've seen this happen many times at INTC, and then the market open flops. So, Peter, any news? This looks news-driven based on the action here. All right.
It is. They dropped. There was a report that came out that said NVIDIA is apparently abandoning some potential plans to use Intel's chip production process. So, I mean, it was never confirmed that they were going to do that. It was just a rumor, but that rumor now says that they are unlikely to continue with the chip production process, and that's got Intel dropping. Intel remains one of my least favorite semiconductors to trade. It is not, I don't like it. It's not good. You guys still counting, by the way, out there?
I think they lost count. They have to go back and look at the replay.
All right.
So let's see. Unless you have your paper and pen out, I think they lost count. But don't say the number. Don't say the number, so you could.
Don't say anything.
Yeah.
See,
let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. All right. Let's continue. I mean, INTC. Okay, not gonna be on the list. I'm gonna leave this one alone, Peter. I agree with you. Sometimes it's not trade very well. It's the only one on the gap down list from TradingTerminal.com. So let's just go back to you here, Peter. Anything else you like that might be gapping down this morning?
Well. One thing that's not gapping down is my Christmas spirit or the number of hats that I've got. So, gapping down. Netflix never made the promise of going back over 100. We're still waiting for that other shoe to drop. We're waiting for the news on that Warner Brother Discovery acquisition. What's happening there? Netflix feels like it's in a holding pattern until that, we hear something, whether they successfully do it or not. But there's that. Oracle is another one that's gapping down here this morning that has actually continues to surprise me with some decent moves that it puts in on, continued higher volume. Although the volume this week has been dropping off, which sort of makes sense. It just, this is a lot of institutional. I don't know what the percentage is. It's got to be very heavily institutionally owned, right? Oracle is only a 1.4% short float, and its institutional ownership here is why can't I find that number? Only 44.6%. All right, so it's a little less than I expected, but that one might be interesting. Others that are gapping down this morning, we have the semiconductors that I like to go to. AMD, look at that, is green. But AMD's green. NVIDIA, though, is the key one that I was looking at, is slightly red. I liked the move yesterday on NVIDIA. Andrew was busy trading that. A little bit of a challenge right off the open, but he persisted, and he got the big move of the day, which only started a little bit after 10 o'clock. So 10 until noon is when the thing just moved, and it never gave back any of those gains. So it's not a surprise that it's gapping down a little bit this morning after that big move up yesterday. I like where it sits on the daily. Yeah, I still think it's the number one prospect.
Yeah, looks good today on NVIDIA as well. All right, friends, so not much added to my list, guys. ASTS, I added that one there just to see what it does, but for the most part, not a whole lot. I'm going to add usual suspect. I'm going to add NVIDIA. I'm going to add Tesla. Again, there's really nothing heavily in play that is coming off this gappers list here. So I'm going to go with a lot of usual suspects. Nike might be one that might be interesting if it can get the volume. So I'm going to put that one on a secondary list as I'm building my list here. So Nike on the secondary. Let's go right here. Nike, NVIDIA, Tesla, and I'll leave it at that. I'll see what else can come our way. But for the most part, that is what I'm watching. And I would love to see what you guys have on deck this morning and what you guys like today. So let's go right to our chat, friends. NVO we did look at. Let's take a look at it one more time. NVO this morning. Yeah. Oh, that's not the wrong NVO. That's November. It's November. NVO.
That's the wrong one.
Yeah. NVO here does have a little more volume, 794. Yeah, we looked at it earlier. I mean, I don't know, man. A good secondary. I think you might get some movement today, but it was so bad yesterday. So yeah, I don't like it there.
Yeah, it's not my favorite. Like we talked about earlier, it's tough to get it moving. And on a half day, remember, half day today, markets close tomorrow, open regular on Friday. So I think that with the half day, you're unlikely to get good movement on Novo Nordisk today.
Yep, we'll leave that alone, my friends. All right, let's see what else you guys like. Path, we did look at, not one that I'm going to be watching. Jesse, you're looking at Hood. You know, Hood is one of those tickers that you can keep watching. I think it can provide some opportunities. Right now, it's giving you nothing pre-market, nothing. So I will leave it alone for now. But again, it's one of those tickers that if you have space like today, I will definitely keep an eye on that one this morning. Peter, you like Hood this morning?
No, I was just watching the filters. Sometimes the filters are look at this. It's filtering out my my antlers. Why doesn't it understand that I'm wearing antlers?
Yeah, it's too.
Oh, there they are.
Yeah.
Here they are.
It's too into the background.
Yeah.
Can't pick them up. Yep. All right, let's continue here. What else, friends? Over on YouTube, checking out what you guys have. AMD. Yeah, I might look at AMD. I could see it doing something here. Might be interesting. So AMD. It's okay. Okay, I'll keep it off for now. I do have NVIDIA on deck. Rocket Lab this morning. What did it do? Yes, I know we were talking about it. Yes, it had a big start and then it just fell apart and then did nothing, right? So again, it's a lot of initial moves. Then in the middle of the day, unless you're watching NVIDIA, everything else was pretty much garbage. So I don't know. NVIDIA was the only one that actually gave you a move. I don't know what happened, but it was the only one. If you look at everything else, it was pretty dead for the most part. All right. Anything else, friends? If not, we'll call it here. What time is it? 9:01. Yeah, let's call it here. I expect to have a very short list today as we go into this this Christmas Eve. Let's go right to our website, babytraders.com, friends. You could always see what's happening here. Click on webinars. I know we have a very light schedule for this week and next, but today is Wednesday. Peter, what we got going on today?
It's a good question. We normally have an evening webinar. We're not going to have one today. Is it hot in here? What's going on? Oh, what? Oh, I'm at the beach. How'd that happen? Anyways, my hat is phasing in and out of existence here on the beach. There we go. But we do have our daytime activity. If you're interested, we do have our noon webinar. I believe, maybe Thor, if you're out there, if you could confirm, Dr. Vanessa Charlin will be here to talk futures as she normally does. Dr. V is a futures expert. She's a very active futures trader and very worth going to if you're interested in that in the webinar room. At noon today, and that's it. Then we go into the holiday break. So basically, that'll be it for the week. All right, we won't have our regular Thursday mentorship sessions. Obviously, that's Christmas. Everybody's off. And then Friday, we don't normally have anything scheduled. So enjoy a little bit of a break. Take the time off. As Mike was suggesting to everybody yesterday, tomorrow, don't turn on your computer. Just leave it off. Have a day without it. Go do something else. Spend time with the family. Go do something fun.
Gotcha. All right, just chatting with my good buddy Thor here. Yes, so Thor, there's going to be no Thor today at 11, so Thor will be off today. And Vanessa not doing anything at 12. So again, we're winding up early today as people get ready for festivities. And the way this watch is looking, we're about to cut off the show right after 9:30. We'll see what happens.
That then. We basically have nothing going on for today, so we're easing into the holidays. But if you want to buy someone a holiday gift or want one for yourself, you might want to suggest to them that they check out the Verbal Trading website. If they're very generous, maybe they'll buy you an elite annual membership. They can get it now at a 60% discount. If you go to verbaltraders.com and scroll down, you can see where that membership offer is, and they can take advantage of that. Or treat yourself. You deserve it. Do something nice. And then you can join us in the chat room. We'll be here right until 1. We'll be back again on Friday, of course, and then every day the market is open. Every hour the market's open, we're here. And then many more, right? We trade. We're obviously here early. We're here late. We do all this stuff because we love the market. We love trading. So this is what we're here to do, support each other in this community. So if you want to join, check it out. And don't forget, there's still a week left to join the boot camp before it starts. If you want to accelerate your trading journey, go to peakcapitaltrading.com and you can join the Peak Capital Trading Boot Camp, which is a pretty intensive 3-month course that allows you to focus on your trading, build a strategy. We don't give you a strategy. We help you build one. The teach trader to trade theory, the teach a person to fish type model, right? So if you're interested in that, please join and you can sort of get all the skills you need to be a trader over the long term. That's our intent. So, and most importantly, have a great Christmas. I want everybody to just have a great Christmas. As you can tell, I love Christmas. So
yeah, absolutely, friends. Absolutely. Enjoying the comments here. People are getting ready for their holidays. So yeah, man, looking forward to it. All right, guys, let's get some levels in. This will be quick. I got 2, NVIDIA and Tesla. So let's look at both of those. We could dive into some action here. NVIDIA front and center after such a great day yesterday. Can it do it today, man? NVIDIA has been so bad for us let me rephrase. So bad for me as far as the way I trade. I mean, it's been so choppy at the market open. Yesterday was the only day that actually did something. It's been a while. So let's see if that can continue. 189 is the high of the pre-market. The lowest at 188.15. And once you look at the bigger picture here on the daily, got a couple of levels towards the top there. We're going to mark down this 191.79. And then right up here, we do have 195.37. Towards the bottom below, previous day close and everything else, we do have 185.62. Great level there, friends, and you're surrounded by the price action after such a beautiful day yesterday. So hoping NVIDIA can do that. 1.9 million shares traded this morning on it. Next is Tesla, right? Tesla. So Tesla on deck today. Just battling here, friends. Battling, trying to get back to that 500. It got to 498. Did it hit 499? I think it was like shy of $1 something. Like 498, right? What's the exact?
498.83.
Oh man, so close. But again, it's gonna be a tough one. So 495 is the level towards the top. The high and low of the pre-market right now is 498, and towards the bottom we're looking at low of the pre-market 485.94. Below that, previous day close and other levels. Again, just trying to maintain this move that it has done here in the last couple of days. But I gotta tell you, Tesla has been trading very, very well. As it's trying to move higher here and try to hopefully get to that 500. I don't think it's going to do it this time before the year ends, but it is still can provide us some good opportunities as we move forward here. And that's really much what I have, Peter. It's just this 2, Tesla and NVIDIA for right now. Looking forward to see what our moderators have today to see what I can copy off of that. I do see you have Tesla, NVIDIA, and AMD. And you got POTR and Amazon. Let me look at POTR since we got a little time here. POTR, yeah, and Amazon you have as well. Okay, I see why you put those 2 on the secondary. It's not a whole lot going on right now. So So there it is. That's what I have. Peter, I see our friends, our moderators don't have anything yet, but it's early. We're a little bit early right now.
Well, that gives us a little bit of time for some Christmas fun. So I'm back to another version of a basic Christmas hat. So Carlos, do we have like any Christmas giveaways? Have you got anything in the old Santa's bag that we could give away?
Yes. Let's give something away. We should give something away today for our Lambos and Garbage Truck members. Let me talk to Andrew right now. Andrew's up. He's ready to go.
And
I'm typing. You could talk while I type.
This is the
radio silence is not good.
So I'm back to one of the basics here, and this is the last of my hat transitions. So my question for you, over the course of only the last 40 minutes, how many different hats did I wear? Anybody keep track? Count them up.
Let's see.
There you go. Randall was in first, and Randall, you are correct. 17. I have 17 unique Christmas hats, and I have quite a number of duplicates. So I tried to weed out the duplicates, so I didn't wear those for you today.
Yep.
So it's 17 hats. There you go. That was your skill testing question for this morning. You win 20 bonus points, Randall, for guessing. So there you go.
There it is. Well, how much was it?
17.
17. Ooh.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a lot.
Shows how many camera cuts you make there, that it takes to manage it, because I think I managed to get every single change off camera. So
Oh yeah, we hit these buttons quite a bit, friends. All right, so we are set here. We got some time, man. We got some time. We could actually answer some questions from you guys. We normally don't get to do that, so I think it'll be a great time to get some questions in, either from chat, from X. We are live on X as well, while Andrew gets ready and joins us here in the chat room. So we got some time we can get into all of that. So we'd love to do that. So we got like almost 20 minutes, which is pretty nice. So put your questions in. Let's get to them. And also, we're confirming here we are doing one elite annual membership, right? We're doing one free elite annual membership. We're doing 3 funded accounts, and we'll see what else we come up with. But that's what we have right now. So 3 funded accounts, 3 free funded accounts for members of Trading Terminal, and we also have 1 elite membership, annual elite membership. So that's what we'll do today. Make sure you sign up. If you are a Lambos and Garbage Truck member, you get higher chances, right? So I'm sure the free elite will probably be for the Lambos and Garbage Truck members. The funded account, we'll see how we want to do that. We'll do that a little bit later, so stick around. That's going to be around when Andrew comes on, 10 something. I'm not going to tell you, but stick around, and we will definitely give those away. Lambos and Garbage Truck. If you want to join that, you can. You can do that by going to YouTube. It is like $5 local currency, and you can be part of the Lambos and Garbage Truck member. Get access to videos and all other bunch of fun stuff like chat emojis. So good luck, friends. Good luck to you guys, Doug, Jane, Mohammed, Ben, and Kita. Good luck to you guys that are part of the Lambos and Garbage Truck family. All right. Any questions that we can get to? How do we use level 2? Do we use it as a confirmation with your strategy? It's a great question, man. And now that we have Market Atlas, it makes this process a lot easier, Peter. I mean, I know you've been using it. I've been using it, and it has really helped me, especially with the partially, man. I don't know about you, Peter, but what's been your most benefit out of it? Peter's playing with hats.
I am.
Yeah.
I was told to find an elf filter. I couldn't find it. I found a reindeer one though.
Nice.
Anyways, all right. What's the benefit I found from what? Sorry.
Market Atlas.
Market Atlas. For me, it's the trades at the open. My traditional strategies are pretty fixed on the way, like I've been used to doing them. So it's taking me a longer to sort of get used to it. But not the first 2 or 3 minutes, but any of those trades that we've taken, like a couple of those VWAP drops that I've gotten. You just see that support. You see where the orders sit. It gives you a little more confidence to jump into the trade in the direction you're thinking of. It's a great supporting tool. That's what I love about it. So yeah, that's really where I found the biggest value for me.
All right, there you go. I spent years reading level 2, like the Matrix. Atlas just makes it a lot more visually accessible without the work to learn to read the numbers. Yeah, it's a lot of work, man. When this thing starts flying, I mean, for those that don't know, this is, I mean, a lot of you guys know, but we might have some new people in the chat. This is level 2. When this thing starts flying, man, it can be very difficult unless you have big numbers sitting here for a little bit, right? When it starts going all nuts, it's very difficult to read. And you got some people that are very good at it, like Paris is really good at doing that, and then the time in sales. But Market Atlas takes that ability to have to learn how to do that, right? Because not everybody can or wants to do that, right? So Market Atlas definitely helps with that. So that's the benefit to whoever asked that question. How do we sign up for the drawing? You just got to be right here. You got to be here. You got to be subscribed. You got to be a member of the Lambos and Garbage Truck and hit that thumbs up. And that's how you get ready to go on that. All right. Anything else? Any other questions that we might have here? What happened, Peter? You good?
Yeah, no, I'm fine. Just sometimes you play with things and then you don't know how to turn it off.
Did you break the screen and now you're stuck?
I'm stuck.
Peter broke
I'm like
broke
that
the
judge
screen.
that's. I'm not really a cat, or was it a?
Yeah.
I'm a human.
You broke it.
I'm stuck being a reindeer now. I don't know how to turn it off.
You broke it. Wild Panda. So no, Atlas is not $99, right? TradingTerminal.com is $99, right? And that includes everything from your scanners, from your Market Atlas, from your replay, live and the live simulator and replay simulator. So it's a bunch of things that are included in that. And having that membership also allows you to do the funded account if you want to add that on to, as an add-on to your membership, right? So it's basically every tool that you can use to get started, right? So for new traders, it is really amazing. We did one membership covers everything, and Market Atlas is part of that, right? So and then soon you're gonna have the journal on there as well, which is gonna be huge, man. The journal, because then the journal you can download from DAS. Right from DAS, like my DAS, I can take it and download right into there. Other brokers that you might use, you're gonna get access to that as well, which is pretty neat. So it is a one-stop shop tool, man. I'm looking forward to that journaling. It's gonna be really nice. So that's coming soon. And they told me like in 2-3 days, so maybe by next week we'll have it. So welcome, guys. Welcome, 1960 Resi May. Welcome, Patrick. Welcome to Lambos and Garbage Truck. Also Sadayar 1981. Are you guys putting in your birthdays a year? Is that what it is? On these codes, these are not random. 1981. So welcome. Happy to have you guys. All right, what questions do we have? Peter, anything you want to ask? Anything in you want to ask or anything you want to talk about?
No, I'm just focused on hats today. It's always been one of my favorites. The Whoville hat.
Yeah.
A little Whoville.
Nice.
It's always one of the favorites of the kids too, Anyways, all right.
Anything moving is good.
I don't know how people get through Christmas without having a selection of Christmas hats. Come on. Of course, this comes from my dad, I think, because when I was a kid, my dad would wear it out all the time, and of course, it was embarrassing at the time. Now, what I do, right, all week, everywhere I've gone, I've worn a Christmas hat out in public, shopping, everywhere. Christmas hat. Yeah. All right, here's something to comment on. Brad says there's a 0% chance that Peter takes a trade today. Interesting.
No, I think we'll find something to trade. We'll find something.
I'm hoping. I'm hoping I find a trade.
We'll find something.
There's always, it's never a 0% chance of anything in trading, right? There's always some percentage chance. Oh, that reminds me. I've got to update the Magic 8 Ball. Our Magic 8 Ball has been providing predictions here for a couple of years. And Gary yesterday was asking about, he asked for the latest prediction. He wanted to know a price. Oh, no, that was 2 days ago. Jeez, I even lost track. Was it going to go over 185 2 days ago? It said very doubtful. And that turned out to be true. All right. We can log that baby in there. We still have one open prediction from the Magic 8 Ball. Magic 8 Ball has predicted the Tesla's going to go over 500 by the end of the year. It said without a doubt. Carlos has said no. So
I don't think it is.
Yeah, that's
I think
okay.
And don't get me wrong, when me saying I don't think it is, does not mean we're not going to get great trading out of it, right? It's two different things. We still should get really good trading out of it. I mean, look at this pre-market activity now, friends. I mean, this is beautiful. 800,000 shares traded, which is a little bit on the light side, which is okay. But look how clean this is trading now. So I think it will continue to give us opportunities. I just think that 500 number is a stretch, right? And again, we could get great opportunities to the downside. So, right, we could short too. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But nevertheless, it's on my list, NVIDIA and Tesla. And a lot of people doing the same thing here too. I see Brendan Eamon also looking at some of these same tickers. Eamon, Apple, NVIDIA, and Tesla. Brendan, same thing, right? So very similar tickers across the board. We'll get these to you in a second here. Peter will read them all out as we get more. But we're all watching the same usual suspects because not a whole lot of stuff is in play on its own today. Besides Intel, which again, I wished Intel would trade much better, but it just lets us down every time, man. Maybe today in Christmas, Intel will be nice to us. I'm gonna add it to the list. I know, sound a little bit crazy.
Look at you.
I know,
That's
a little bit wild.
There.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see if it's today should be the day for Intel to do something for us here. So let's see if it does that.
This is like beardception. I've got a white beard over a white beard.
Hannah, welcome to the Lambos and Garbage Truck family. Good to have you. Wow, we have a lot of members joining. Again, if you just joined, we're going to be giving a couple of giveaways today. Free annual elite. That's the big one. Free annual elite membership. That's over like $2,000. That's a pretty good one. So
that's a great deal.
Yeah, so for Lambos and Garbage Truck members, you're going to be able to get that. So good luck. JR Calderon, welcome back. Good to see you, my friend. It's nice because when you come back, you still keep your loyalty. How long you've been with us, right? So he's got the diamond bull here. That means he's been with us for a couple of months as a Lambos and Garbage Truck member. So good to have you, my friend. Welcome back. And JB Cool, welcome to Lambos and Garbage Truck family as well, my friends. Good to have you guys. Yes, if you win and you already have a membership, we'll just extend your expiration date by 1 year, right? So we'll just extend this. So if you have it, you can still win and you can still be part of it. We went to a church raffle. We did a church Christmas thing on Saturday, Peter, with the family. Beautiful thing. They have activity for the kids. And I don't know if I told you, my son had this 518 ending ticket number, raffle ticket. He missed the big TV, the big price, the 50-inch TV by like a number. 509 won. And he was like, Dad, I can't believe I didn't win. He was so upset. And I was like, maybe that other kid needs a TV more than we do, right? We already have one. But he just wanted to win. Like, he didn't care about the TV. He just wanted to win. He was so close, man, on that big price. So
was the person like right before him in line, or whoever got the ticket right in front of him?
It would be right after him because it was 509, right? So if you're ripping off the tickets, it was the kid behind us. So missed it by one. So that was exciting. Yeah.
Wow.
But yeah, we had a great time, and we loved it, man. We loved it. All right, friends. I see some other tickers coming up on the gap down list. Both of those we've seen already in the past. TradingTerminal.com here. You see we have HYMC, and we also have SOC. Both did not look great yesterday. I kept them off my list, but I do remember talking about these yesterday, so I probably won't be watching them today again either. So, all right, Peter, I see. Yeah,
I'll let you know what the mods are watching. They're starting to get their lists in. So moderators are in. Of course, we've got the big Merry Christmas in every language we can think of going on there. I'm going to be watching the usual. I think I'll keep an eye on Amazon and PLTR today. Eamon is going to be watching Apple, NVIDIA, and Tesla for some potential longs. Brendan's got NVIDIA, Tesla, Intel, and AMD on his list. Good luck with Intel. You can have it. Brian is going to be watching Tesla, NVIDIA, ASTS, which he's had a swing trade going on for the last little while, and QBTS, keeping an eye on the quantum for us. Mike is going to be watching Tesla, NVIDIA, and Tesla again. He likes it so much. And Gary is watching Amazon and Tesla towards 495 or higher. Okay. He's also hoping that it moves higher. And then Phil is in with his list looking at Google, Tesla, NVIDIA, and Amazon. So there you go. Whatever you're watching, just be smart about it, guys. This is the last day before the Christmas break. Carlos, it's a week of Fridays, as we keep saying. And what do we say on Friday? You don't want to go into the weekend, right? Knowing that you traded immaturely and you broke your rules. So today is not a day to get all crazy and get out of line. I know we're all excited. I know you're hyped up on eggnog and candy canes, but, just take a trade if you see a good opportunity. If you don't, then just don't worry. There'll be more opportunity. Whether it's in the last couple of days of trading this year or it's in 2026, they'll be there. Don't force anything. All right.
Yes.
And Zen Trader, if you missed it, yes. So the market, just to reiterate for everybody, the market closes early today at 1 o'clock. The markets are closed all day tomorrow, open regular hours on Friday. And then next week, of course, they're open regular hours except for January the 1st when the markets are closed. But every other day, it's just normal. So,
yeah. There you have it, friends. All right, we are getting set. Good to go. I see Brian's logging into chat, and he's going to be joining Andrew
here in the chat. We'll hand it over to the chat room. We will say farewell to our friends in the. Well, we'll rejoin you in a little.
Yeah, we'll rejoin in a second. Yeah,
because we're gonna. Yeah, but we'll give you, of course, the traditional Christmas frog. There you go. All right. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, guys. We'll see you guys a little bit later. All right, let's log off from chat here, and we'll stop here. All right, we'll be good to go. We'll continue here with you guys in chat, in YouTube, and on X. All right, let's see here. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go here. Very good, very good. Setting up, friends. All right, 1 minute, 5 minute, and 4 minutes, less than 4 minutes to the market open. Let's see how we get this thing rocking and rolling here, friends. Oh, X. So we have.
Yes, I gotta switch over my platform here. Let's get that. Live.
All right.
Here we go. All right.
NVIDIA, Tesla, INTC. Oh, no. Okay, there we go. And then secondary list, ASTS. I don't even know why I have that, but I have it. And Nike. So, yeah, it's not a great trading stock, but it's here. It's got volume. It's moving. It's up 5.2. Let's see. I usually never watch it, but today could be interesting. All right, friends over on YouTube, if you haven't done so already, hit that thumbs up. We really appreciate it. On X, do what you do. I don't know what you do there. Hit the X or just comment. Oh, I see a lot of people in chat. Hello, guys. Good morning over on X. Good to have you guys here. Hopefully, you guys are enjoying the stream on X. So yeah, good morning, good morning. I got Ben over there. I got Mr. David. I got Shaku Fed. Shaku Fed. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Good to have you guys over on our X stream, which we started this week, and we'll continue to doing it going forward. Mr. David is supporting it. Love it. I love the support there, my friend. And as far as YouTube, how many likes we have today? Got a lot of giveaways coming up today. And 213. All right. 213 likes on YouTube. BB, not yet. Navi, not yet. We'll get the hashtags in a second here. I only show, yeah, if you got to hit enter. You got to refresh. Like if you don't refresh YouTube, it'll show that you still have. Sometimes I come in, I see like 23 likes. I'm like, wait, what? We're failing. Let's turn off the stream. But if you refresh it, it'll give you the actual number. So. All right, Peter, what is your main one today, man? Which one are you looking at front and center this morning?
NVDA.
NVDA.
All the way, baby.
All right.
Yeah. NVIDIA. I think, sorry, I actually, well, I said NVIDIA, but I mean to say NVIDIA and Tesla. Because Tesla, of course, we've got our theory, right? Like, it goes up at the open, right? Doesn't it?
Long, yes.
Exactly.
Long at the market open.
So we'll see. We'll see what happens.
All right, friends. All right, 10 seconds, 9, 8. And here we go.
Here we go. Here's the bell.
And we're off.
Oh, it jumped too fast, Carlos.
It's quick.
I was going to do the traditional long on Tesla because, of course, this is what it always does.
Yeah, that was quick. That was quick. All right, friends, here we go.
All right. And a pullback. Whoa. Here we go, pulling back.
Right, Tesla, NVIDIA. Good action there. Today's a great day for the scanners to see what is actually getting volume. So I do have my scanners up here. Let me show you guys. Here's the scanners for TradingTerminal.com. My two favorite ones during this time of the day where there's not a whole lot that looks great. Turbo breakup and turbo breakdown. Look at ASTS slamming the scanners this morning. Let's take a look at this on my secondary. And it is moving higher very nicely here. So, wow, ASTS. Moving very good, guys. ASTS here.
That would have been a very fast trade on Tesla here. It's already dropped. I was looking to see if I could get an entry on it, but it's looking at dropping. Wow. Okay. All right, Tesla. Calm down. Where's my headphones?
Okay. INTC doing some stuff. Tesla, wow, so that's a good engulfing on the 1 minute. That's great. Right below the view at 2. Oh, please give me a pullback. I would join you. Pull back to 488. All right, come on. Please pull back. No, it's going to keep going. Oh, wow. What a great 1 minute engulf. You guys know this is one of my favorite strategies. 1 minute engulfing strategy here. That is one of my favorite strategies for the 1 minute ORB. And I missed it. I was looking at ASTS. I wasn't really focused on it. Intel doing some stuff. Intel's doing the opposite. 1 minute engulfing to the top side. That is nice. Tesla to the downside, and Tesla's gonna keep going. Tesla's not coming back. Oh man, come on, please give us a chance. Right at the previous day close, we're getting a bounce. It's going red. Tesla's gone. All right, let's see what else we can find because Tesla is already gone. NVDA holding above the VWAP here. Is it going to have another strong day? NVIDIA. You're long AMD. Nice. See if we can continue here. Intel's also going long. Tesla. NVIDIA. NVIDIA above the VWAP would be probably nice.
Yeah, I'm hoping not. I tried to take a short on NVIDIA
thinking
that it was going to drop lower, but it doesn't look as good now as it did when I took the short. So I'm not loving it.
Yeah, see what it does here. It could still reject from VWAP, but if it closes above that, then that would be no bueno. See, they still could reject here.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can. Oh, it's rejecting. Not rejecting is all over the place right now.
Yeah.
Tesla at the VWAP, INTC.
Popped up here, so I'm out of NVIDIA, so that didn't work out. So, well, I did take a trade. Just
yeah.
But it didn't work out for me, but I took one.
Yep. Let's see if it does a good 5-minute ORB, but look at it go. It's just...
Yeah.
Here's the pullback. See if we can get a long play here, but then this pullback is like a bit aggressive. We do have our 5-minute range created here. Here's our 5-minute range right there. Right from here to here. So the way back up, this is it's a great setup. Like here is the entry if you want to go long. Stop loss at 180. You could give it 40 cents, 187.95. Yeah, let's try. Okay, we're long for the 5-minute ORB breakout. Stop loss 187.95. So we can give it 50 cents on this thing. And let's see if it can hold here. So we're long on NVIDIA, hoping for the break of the 5-minute ORB here. So let's see if this can hold. Let's see if it can hold. This candle is important. We really got to get above this. If we struggle, the likelihood is we're probably going to go below the VWAP. But this candle here is very important. We got it. There it is. We got it. Show that the buyers do have the momentum here. Let's see if they can stick with it. Stick with it. Come on. Close screen. Move higher. The sellers are not giving up. We need that momentum. We need a close screen. 10 seconds left for this candle here in this 1 minute. See if we can close and get the momentum going long here on NVIDIA. Tesla. Oh, wow. Tesla's beautiful. See, I tell you guys, not going to hit 500, but Tesla is a beautiful trading stock no matter what. That is a beautiful short here. It's just excellent, man. So many ways to play. Previous day close if you want to do the breakdown. 1 minute engulfing. I mean, so many things on it, guys. Incredible. All right, NVIDIA struggling here. I'm probably going to bail out even before my stop because this is not a good sign that we couldn't keep this momentum here. It's not good. So let's see. My stop 185, 188.95. Sorry, 187.95. 187.95. But yeah, that's not good. I want this to happen really quickly. It's taking too long, so it's not good.
I'm in it with you, Carlos. I'm hoping for a long as well.
Nice. Did you get a better entry at least? Because if you did, you can hold it a little bit longer. But man, it's struggling.
No, I don't have a good entry here at all. I think my entry is right about where yours is.
Yeah.
And then I added to it. My initial entry was a little bit better, but I added to it thinking it was about to pop, and
it gave us all the signals, man. Like if it was. So let's see. Staying above VWAP here is good. If we can stay above VWAP, it's great. But I just don't like that we didn't get the slingshot move immediately. You know, and just kind of set the buffer. Let's see. Still alive here. Still alive. We need to start turning things around, but that's not looking good. That is not looking good there. VWAP, do your job, VWAP. Come on. Do your job. The shake and bake. It's trying to shake us here. It's trying to shake us here. Yes, I agree. All right, new 1 minute candle. 5 minute candle looks good. Like if you look at the 5 minute, this looks good. This is what you want. You got the 5 minute range. You got your pullback. Here's the buying pressure coming in. Let's get the momentum. Let's get the slingshot move and go to 189. Right? So let's see if we could do that. But as far as the technicals, this is perfect. I just don't like the fact that it's taking so long. It's taking too long.
Yeah.
But technicals look good. Tesla continues here. INTC actually not bad. Start. ASTS, wow. Nice strong start. Then the collapse. That's a nice drop there. NVIDIA struggling to get above the high of the day, which is 188.66. Really struggling at 188.53 is where the struggle is happening. So right here, we can't seem to get above this. There we go. Good, good. Keep the momentum. Keep it. Peter, you're still in, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good, good. Come on. Just go up there and keep breaking through. We need at least 50 cents to at least make this worth our while. That rejection right there, that is such a bad rejection. Oh, wow.
I got out of it now.
Yeah, I'm getting out of it too. This is not good. I'm getting out of it too. Yeah. That was that you knew, like if you did not make it there, you're not going any higher. It's just that was your chance. So we're out of it. It tried. Gave it a good battle, but just couldn't hold it, man. It's a shame. And Tesla, look at this beautiful engulfing here. 1 minute. Also, nice 5 minutes as well. NVIDIA below the VWAP now. Let's see. MU. What's MU up to, guys? What are you guys looking at? MU. Take a look here. Yeah. This is what we were looking for on NVIDIA, and MU's doing it. AMD's not doing well, which is strange because MU never trades this good. But look at it today. Beautiful breakout on MU. So Joshua, you took it at 181. Man, you're up almost you're up $4 on this thing. Very nice. All right. What do we have here? NVIDIA is such a mess. Is it short now below the VWAP? Nice breakout pullback. Confirmation candle. I don't want to overtrade it, but it looks crappy.
I've gone short on it, so
that's a good short. I agree with that. It's a good short.
So just took a partial at the bottom of that candle because it's
nice.
It's just jumpy, right? I don't know.
Yeah.
how far it's going to go. I'd love to get another partial at low of day. Oh, I should show you guys. Where's my...
Yeah, if you make it big, we could look at it. There it is.
There we go. You can tell if this is my third trade on NVIDIA this morning. I've been short, I went long, and now I'm short again. So...
Yeah, I like it short here, man. That's a good. You got a good entry too. That's a great entry there.
Tesla just keeps dropping. I don't know. We're a little closer to the price action. It's only going to take one pop to come and stop me out again. I'm not green yet because my long was break even. My loss was a full loss, and I need a good move down to new low of day here to get back to green. So,
well, market is feeling some kind of weakness here. Yeah, this is gonna drop, man. I see Tesla already flipping over. We're sell right now. It's gonna be a wreck Christmas. Wreck Christmas, Peter. All right, let's see.
Well, it's Christmas color.
Yeah, if you're sure you're happy, like you are right now. So, nothing wrong with that.
Another partial here. Just because it's taking a long time, so taking a partial. Let's see if we can get to the low of day.
That's a great short. I was hoping that it'd pull back to 188 at least so I could join you, but it never did. It just kept going here.
Yeah, I got in and then actually added. I was trying to add at VWAP, but I got a bad fill, and I got filled lower than expected. I was trying to get filled at 188.20 after my entry, but... so my net, as you can see, my average price here, 188.02. So it doesn't take much of a pop here to come stop me out, but I'm hoping I can net these things back into the green.
What else, friends? What are you guys looking at? Nice. Did you take it as well? Shaku, did you take MU too? Lapio took MU. Very nice. Good job. Good job. Good job.
NVIDIA's got a lot of downside orders. I mean, the problem is if I look at the Atlas, it's fairly balanced. I mean, there are orders up and down, and there's orders all over the place. So it's very busy. It just depends on who's going to be more active here and drive the price. So fortunately, we're coming back on me now. See if we can hold here lower. I don't just hold under 188. Come on.
I see SanDisk hitting the scanners here. SNDK hitting the scanners.
Yeah.
ESTS.
It just
stopped it. Yeah, it's messy, man. ASTS hitting the turbo breakdown on the scanners here as it continues to go lower. Netflix, Oracle's doing some stuff. Oracle is no, I don't see anything good on it right now. Mo, you're in Oracle. How are you trading it right now? You short from the top, you're long from the bottom. Like, where are you at the moment on it?
Carlos, I feel like I'm over trading today, but I got back into NVIDIA. Unfortunately, I have a worse entry, but it just
short or long?
It's going to go lower. It just stopped me out again. I went back short.
Short,
but I had a worse entry, so I should have just kept my original shares. I didn't hit the button quick enough. And now I got stopped right at the top of that candle, which is too bad because I still think it's a short. But oh well.
Yeah.
What can you do?
It's tough, man. It is tough right now on what it wants to do.
Well,
you're long for 1 minute ORB. Oh, yeah, that's a great entry for Oracle. Good job. That's a good entry for Oracle there.
Oracle. Oh yeah, Oracle popped up.
very good, very good. Okay. I don't see anything, friends. What do you guys got? Someone said AVGO at VWAP. Let's take a look. Oh, VWAP and previous day close. That's interesting. Nice little breakout there for both on AVGO. You got the VWAP, you got the previous day close, possible breakout, but I don't know. I don't love it, I gotta say. Definitely don't love it. I think the breakout would have been nicer here. Breakout, pullback, entry right here. Get above the VWAP, you kind of got a little bit more happening. But man, this doesn't look good right now. It's just very choppy. Like, it looks like it's getting a lot of resistance here. So I don't know if the breakout is in it for AVGO, but yeah, I don't love it. But I could see why someone would join long there. If you did. Friends, if you're on YouTube or on X, make sure you hit live, right? Sometimes the stream might slow down a little bit for you. YouTube loves to do that, buffer you down a little bit. So make sure you hit live so you're up to the most up to date. Because I go back to the stream to look at it and I'm like, why am I so delayed? And it's because it's not completely live. So make sure you hit that live button on X or on YouTube. So you're up to date
as well regularly. So
yeah, I don't know why it does that. Like, it just falls behind like a minute sometimes. So make sure you're as live as possible. Should only be a couple of seconds behind from our stream. AVGO struggling here, guys. Yeah, I don't love it. I don't love it. PDD.
I am back short on NVIDIA again. Might be over trading this, but hasn't really hurt me too much yet. I still think it's going to break to a new low of day, but it won't. It's choppy. It won't do it.
Yeah, it won't flush, man.
Dropping and then coming back.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Just stop.
And eventually it'll break out one way or the other, but because the volume is there, man. The volume is flowing, so it looks good. Like, but it just doesn't want to give it the continuation.
I should have maybe moved my stop up over 188. I don't know. It's SPY. Yeah, I still think NVIDIA is a short, but I didn't have conviction here. Volume on NVIDIA is only at 58%. Its average volume, so now it's probably going to go without me.
Yeah, it's gonna go, Peter. Such a crappy stock.
If I'd had just a little bit better entry on that second short back at 941, then I could have held through all of this, right? I was going to just move my stop up a little bit higher over 188, and which would have had me just sitting in this instead of taking the next two trades, right? But anyways, what can you do?
Yeah.
I mean, it may yet still pop higher. It's tough to tell. It seems to be getting into a chop range here.
Mo's asking, why don't we try our strategy pullback instead of VWAP? You tried in previous day low. It's a great question. I don't know why I don't do that. Maybe because I haven't tried it enough to know if it's going to be profitable or not. But that's what it is. It's going to take sample sets, right? I got to try it enough to say, okay, this is a winning strategy or not. So it really comes down to that. So, and for that, you got to go really in sim because you don't want to be risking money to find out if something's profitable or not, or trade very small. It's another way of doing it too, right? Taking smaller trades until you have enough data that tells you, okay, yes, you can trade this. It is profitable for you. That's really it. Here, it's a tough area for for NVIDIA, man. Law of the day is right here. You're in this middle zone between the. It's a hard entry to get in, but you're right. I'm with you, Peter. This thing does look like it eventually wants to break lower. Even like a bigger time frame, right? Bigger time frame. Here's a 5 minute. It looks weak. It looks very, very weak. Oh, did you guys take it? It's late now for me, but yeah, did you guys take it? Amazon breakout, VWAP here, and it pushes right to the previous day close. But now it's too late for me now. But that was a good one. Too late to enter that one. Intel's just back and forth here. Sideways. ASTS did collapse nicely here. Nike I had on deck as well. Not doing anything crazy at the moment. Intel's starting to come alive. It's funny. I'm like, oh, it's just starting to come alive. Oh, it's only 10 cents. Like, it's not, like, it doesn't really move a whole lot. So,
right.
DJT hitting high of the day here. PDD continues to hit the scanners, but it's not really getting any volume. This is messy. NVIDIA is just crap, guys. Let's call it what it is. This is just, it's giving us too many fake out Peters here. It is just crap. Like, just when you think it's going to break down, look at this pullback here out of nowhere. So you just got to leave it alone. Mike, trading from the Dominican Republic. Mike, send us a picture. Send us a picture of your setup. Are you trading by like the beach with a presidente? Like, what's the deal? Send me a picture. Send me a picture of your setup. So we could share it here with our YouTube friends. Oh, I didn't see Andrew. I haven't. Look at Andrew's setup. He's got the lights, man. He's looking nice out here. He's getting ready to do some podcasts. So I want to interview Andrew. I got to interview. I want to do a podcast interview. Like everybody's done podcast interviews with Andrew. I want to interview Andrew, but I want to have some. But me and you should do it. But some tough questions, not the same questions everybody asks. Some real tough questions, because who's better to interview him than me and you that know him the best, right? We'll ask some real questions, So we should do that. We should travel to Vancouver, set up nicely, get a few cameras, and do a real interview with some deep questions. I think that'll be fun. Maybe for next year, we should do that. But I'm not going there in the winter. I want to go in summer. Because every time I've been to Vancouver, it's been cold, rainy. I want to go in like August or something. Because they got some nice spots. They really got some nice spots over there.
They do.
That would be great when the weather is. But here's Andrew's setup. Look at this. This is nice. It's got the purple. It's got the sign. All right. Got the tree. It looks awesome. I like that. And with that, you can see here Andrew live going long NVIDIA. Let's see if NVIDIA can deliver, man. It's been playing hard to get. So let's see if NVIDIA can come through for us. This is what the chat room, if you're new to the channel, this is what the chat room looks like. You have your alerts from your moderators. You have your members conversation here. People sharing their trades there. There's our good buddy Gerwin sharing his trades. You have Andrew live here. And also Brian. So you could join at bearwithtraders.com. Head on over there. You can see these guys do their thing live there. All right, friends. Anything else? What do we got?
I'm watching Tesla to see if it's double bottomed here. I've taken a little bit of a long on it. We'll see if it's going to go higher.
Which one, Peter?
If it breaks. Tesla.
Tesla?
I don't know.
Reverse on Tesla. Yeah, I like it. I like it.
It's maybe double bottomed, but it's not a great trade, especially on a day where we're looking at a little bit of chop. But we'll see what the future brings.
All right, let's see.
Come on, Tesla. No, maybe you don't want to go.
How is trading volume like this week? It's okay. I mean, you got some stocks that still. I mean, look at Tesla, 10 million shares traded right now. It's got volume. It's moving. But you do have lesser opportunities, I believe, is what you might see. You piece of garbage, Tesla. Yeah. INTC. NVDA, guys, possible view at breakout. No end is very long on this one, but possible view at breakout is just, can we get the continuation, right? AMD, what do we got? AMD here. Oh yeah, right at the VWAP there. Let's see how the setup looks here. So right at the VWAP, trying to break through, but this pullback's not looking all that great right now. If we can get our move, this is a good breakout candle. I like that we're above the previous day close. Here's the pullback. So this candle's about to close now. Let's see what the next candle does. If we can get, yeah, that pullback looks too deep for me. That looks like it just wants to go lower. So let's see here. If we can move higher. Yeah, it's not a good setup, guys. I mean, volume seems a little messy and not really getting the continuation. All right, so here's Mike's. So Mike is trading for the Dominican Republic. I think he's there all the way into January or something like that. There it is. He's trading. I assume this is the capital where you're at. So there is his trading setup. It's got his 3 monitors. It's got the show. Got his atlas. And then his screens right here. Look, you see all the stuff he's watching there. So good stuff, man. Oh, February. Excuse me. He's there until February. So yeah.
Yeah.
So enjoy, man. Have a good time. You sure you're not in the U.S.? This is English. Tire and auto. What is this? This should be gomas y carros. What's going on? Oh man, I guess they're trying to attract the tourists. Makes sense. Yeah, in Santo Domingo, it's a lot of in the capital, it's a lot of tourists and English signs, like everywhere, right? You go to places that English is not the number one language, and if it's tourist spot, everything's in English. Everything is for the tourists. So yeah. All right. Yeah. AMD failed. You can see here, just failed the breakout. It just doesn't have enough juice. Tesla, I don't know what it's doing. NVDA is also just messy. And then I'm trying to look for another trade here. Oh, Nike. Trying to close the gap.
Come on.
Oh, man. Yeah, Nike's. I saw it on the scanners earlier. It was hitting the turbo breakup. You're long?
Okay. Yeah, I've gone long. I'm like over trading today. I think I was trying to prove to people that said I wouldn't trade wrong or something, but you could tell. Look at how many times I've tried to get this long on Tesla, but I'm taking very little risk on it. So
yeah,
I got 1 full loss, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 6th time. So
okay.
But we're now good here.
All right.
Fifth time. Sorry, fifth trade. But we'll see. I got a partial over 181. I'm hoping that we get a push higher here. Want to make back.
Peter Mike is low, guys. I hear him so perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Let me check.
Maybe I keep turning away. I'll try and stay.
Yeah,
on top
maybe
of it.
that's
let me go
maybe
back.
That's what it is.
And maybe it's the filtering too, because I turned off that noise removal.
Yeah, put back maybe the.
I put it back
the
on.
Settings you had.
Maybe this will make a difference. Yeah. There, I reinstated them. So
All right, let's see if Tesla can get you to the VWAP, man. That would be awesome. It's trying
Oh my
here.
God.
It's
Tesla.
trying.
What the
Oh,
heck?
this is
That'll pop
this
down there.
this just sucks.
That was aggressive.
Uh, Wow, Nike quietly did some stuff here. I wasn't watching it, but hopefully you guys were. Look at this. It's just slowly grinding higher and not crazy volume, but definitely moving nicely here, man. And if you look at the daily, this is where the gap down is, right over here. Big gap down a few days ago, and man, it's trying to get into that gap fill probably. It's got a long way to go, but it's chucking away here, so very nice. I don't have a trade for it here. It would have been nice maybe high of day breakout. I got a couple of possible trades there, but I missed that. All right, people are going Tesla long. It is
Good.
giving.
Everybody, jump in Tesla long.
Jump in. It is bothering me out
The more
a
the
little bit
merrier.
here. Yeah. So that's good.
I'm going for broke this one. I actually added into the trade on that pullback because it was near my break even, and I thought, what the heck? We'll add in, keep my stop the same area. If we can get a pop back over 181, it's good for a move higher, but it seems to be getting some resistance now at 181. So somebody's holding it down here.
All right, let's see. You guys calling out a lot of tickets. Let's take a look here. I'm still looking for a trade. Look at Path. You guys called out Path. Let's see what Path is doing. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Popped up, then right back down. This looks strange. Yeah, I wouldn't trade this. This is careful on it, right? Doesn't move a whole lot. There's only a 20 cents drop. I was gonna say it's a big drop. It's only a 20 cents drop there, so it doesn't move a lot, which is good given the way it's moving. But I don't see any structure here. What are the technicals on this thing? So I'll skip it. Another one being mentioned is I just saw it. AVGO again. It did. Yeah, it did win. Oh man, it did. Right. It gave you the signal here. Consolidated for a while. If you survived that, great. Then the patience would have paid off pretty nice here. But that's gone. That's gone. I need something that's setting up a little bit more. AMD failed our setup. NVDA. What are you doing, NVIDIA? What are you doing? Like,
yeah,
what is this crap that you're doing on Christmas Eve? You should be ashamed of yourself. What else we have? POTR? POTR maybe?
Yeah, give us a Christmas present. PLTR, exactly. Yeah, I don't know. It's gone green, but ugh, and it just smashed down and stopped me out again on Tesla.
MU had a beautiful run earlier today. Yeah, getting a little toppy now. So their moves, they're just harder to find. That's what happens during this time of the year. They're harder to find. Like, look, MU was great, but we were not watching it. Intel, no. Tesla, we did miss a Tesla short. Like, this Tesla short is legit. This is a beautiful Tesla short, but I was focused on NVIDIA going long. But Tesla was a good move. Like, we cannot complain too much. We missed this one. And it's funny because this would have been one of your trades, like Tesla short here. Like, this would usually be one of your entries, right?
Well, it was a little early. Like, normally I like the VWAP retest from the bottom. This just came right through and just kept going. So, and I remember I was watching it long in the first minute, right? Because it always pops higher. So you got to sort of keep that in mind that sometimes you just, it's hard to change that perspective. So
true. What do we got? Yeah, Tesla might make a new low now. Seems like it's getting some weakness there. Maybe. NVIDIA sideways. MU just made a new high. Yeah, MU is. Let me put MU here on my list actually, because I keep going back to it. So let me put it on my list there. Wow, MU is on fire. What's going on?
Yeah, it's
MU
it's moving nicely.
It's loving life today. Look at that. New high there. Yep, I see that, Mike. Nice. This is the type of trading we expect from AMD and NVIDIA, not MU. All right, NVIDIA is starting to come alive here. Maybe this can help NVIDIA move higher. Maybe MU can drag it a little bit. So let's see. Above the VWAP, I'll be interested on NVIDIA above the VWAP. I'll be interested there. Let's see if we can get. It's just not moving. It's just stuck. Insane Trader 99. That's what happens. So his comment: I traded MU garbage for the last 2 trading days, and I lost today. And you lost, and today you didn't watch it. Yeah, that's what happens, man. Timing and watching the right stocks at the right time is probably one of the most difficult things in trading. After you learn how to trade, after you got it down pat, then the next thing is, okay, picking the right one that's gonna give you the best outcome. That's the challenge for me and Peter. That's the challenge right now. Finding the stock to trade.
Yeah,
it's not the strategy. It's finding the stock to trade that becomes the challenge, right? But yeah, like Tesla today was great, and MU, which we did not have on our list, was incredible. Like, look at this thing, man. Nice VWAP breakout, good 5-minute ORB, couple ABCD patterns. High of day breakout, like you name it. 920 trade, I think you have on here as well. You name it, MU did it today. So yeah, Microsoft slowly doing its thing.
Come on, over 181 this time. Tesla.
You in it, Tesla?
No, I'm long again, but look at that. Look at it just pop right back. It's really there, and I'm out. So yeah, it's just not. It's not getting the moves. It won't sustain any of these moves. So yeah, it's hard. That's hard to trade. You got to either have a really wide range and just hope you're on the right side of whatever eventual pop it gets, or stay out. It's not cooperating. Look at that. Are you going to stop me out and now go through 181? How many? Don't do that. You bastard.
481, you mean Tesla? 481.
481, yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You are such an ass. Seriously.
That's
seriously.
It's not nice. Not nice, Tesla.
No, that is not nice at all, actually.
Yeah,
look at that. And look at that. And I hit the 181 and it's right back down.
Much, yeah.
Wow. That is
that's a bad sell. Yeah.
Yeah, that's nasty. That's mean.
That is. I'm sure that cost some people trying to go long there too for the breakout, because
yeah.
all the signals there were long. Look at this thing.
Yeah.
You're a bad boy.
That's mean.
Bad
One
boy,
of those
Tesla.
days. It's a very, very choppy day here.
Yeah.
And I see, if you wanted Tesla short, Mo Hussein, you're doing okay. Here it is, down at the low again. It's it's mean. It's mean and nasty today.
Yep. I'm still keeping an eye on NVIDIA, guys. I think NVIDIA could be a good long if we can get above the VWAP. I'll look for my setup there. And we just need to give it time, right? It's trying to do the setup, but again, let's see. So NVIDIA long above the VWAP is what I'm waiting for here. Friends, reminder, we're going to be giving away one free annual elite membership for Lambos and Garbage Truck members. That's coming up in a few minutes here. Andrew's going to be giving that away, and he's also going to be doing 3 free funded accounts. Right, for the funded account, you do have to have a Lamb Train Terminal membership. Okay, hold on, and then you can upgrade to a free funded account. Right, so give you an opportunity to try it out and see.
Watching NVDA.
Survive. Yeah, I am. I'm waiting for the pullback now, but it just might not give it to me. It might just go there, and it's gonna go. I'm watching it closely, but there's the move. Oh, come on, man. Just couldn't pull back and just be nice. That's gone. That's gone. If you trade the way Andrew trades, you would have been long right in here. Right in here with the momentum. Andrew would have been long in here. By now, he'll be partialing at least once or twice. Because that's his trade right there. This is Andrew's trade right here. That long. And it looks like it's gonna go higher, man. Looks like it wants to continue to push here. To participate, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button here, and also if you want to get better chances, if you're part of the Lambos and Garbage Truck family, you're gonna get, I think, 4-to-1 chances. Or he might do it just for Lambos and Garbage Truck family. He usually does that. He'll do like one gift for the Lambos and Garbage Truck family and another one for everybody else. So we'll see how he sets it up. But yeah, 4 gifts giveaway today. And oh, I didn't see your post. I must have missed it. Yeah, I definitely missed it. To add a MU. All right, so we're pulling back here on NVIDIA.
There's a pullback to the VWAP.
Let's see if it can hold. Tesla's just lower. Let's see here, NVIDIA. MU new high, but not doing a whole lot. Tesla, messy. Yeah, you see, this is just not good in NVIDIA. Yeah, I don't like it. All right, friends, only one trade for me, one stop out on NVIDIA. I have not traded anything else. I haven't seen anything that I love this morning. Still early,
so smart on you. Today I've had like 800 trades, and
but your 800 trades, like you have a lot of stop out at break even trades. So it's
yeah.
As far as P&L, yeah, it might be frustrating, but as far as P&L, you protect it pretty good. So
yeah, I mean, I'm red. I'm definitely red on the day. I was getting close with the NVIDIA clawing back some of it, but Tesla ended up red all over. I'll admit I am long NVIDIA right now. I was hoping for that break through the VWAP and higher. I agreed with you. It looked like a good move. The market was supporting it. There was good volumes there. We'll have to see. I'm pretty much right at my break even right now. So now I'm seeing downside orders on the bid, which I don't like. So
let's see here. See if you get the bounce off the VWAP.
Let's see. Here I am, long NVIDIA right here. You can see I got in high and I added down here. I got in with a small size. So this is what happens when I get these days. I get in with a small size and then I add into it, but I don't like the downside orders now. It does look like It looks a lot weaker than it did 3-4 minutes ago.
Andrew's asking, how's Peter doing? Peter's trying to match the number of trades with his hats. He's trading like a madman today.
That's right. Oh,
he has
actually.
17 hats, and he has probably like 17 trades. But this will be a good one here. This will be a good one now, Peter. Come on. We're rooting for you on NVIDIA. Let's see.
Let's hope so. Can break. Come on, NVIDIA. Be a good one. Be the best hat.
Oh, Chris, you got a funded account? Andrew's asking you, how is your funded account doing? I want to reset my account. This is just madness, my friends.
Yeah.
And again, if you're starting out and you're struggling and getting stopped out, just be patient. We're gonna come back on Friday. We're gonna come back next week. Mark is gonna be here. So if you're struggling and having a hard time, just reduce your risk. Like just don't force it. This market is being very tough. This is a very tough market right now to make money in, right? So these things are not playing nice. Like that is look at this drop here. That's the same drop I got caught in earlier, right? Just look great for the breakout, hit here almost to my first partial, and then just slam down. So it's insane. Nice. So Chris, you got a real account and playing the funded one on the side. Good for you, man. Good for you. I want to reset my funded account. I got to reset my funded account. Start again. Give you $100. I ought to show you how to make $100. Why would I give you $100? I ought to show you how to make 100. And then when you make more than me, you could give me $100. I think that's a better plan. All right, so here's the funded account, friends. No, not yet. Not yet. We'll do it when you come on. So we'll do the giveaway when Andrew comes on. Unless you want me to do it now. You want me to do one now? I could do one now. Get people excited.
That's awful. Awful. Stopped out of NVIDIA, so that didn't work out. Yeah, it's a tough day. Tough day.
All right. See if we do one. We could do one giveaway now, maybe, and then one for later. Yeah, it's a tough day, this market. It's okay. If the market's not giving you gifts, Bear Traders will give you a gift. We'll do giveaways and we'll get you guys something since the market's not going to give it to you today. If it hasn't, we'll line up the mood here. So yes. Let's see. Oh yeah, welcome guys, welcome. Yeah, so here's my funded account, friends. It's so good. Definitely check it out, guys. It's the funded account's the way to go. It's definitely the way to go. So I wish I had this starting out. Would have saved me a lot of money. NVIDIA collapsing. NVIDIA became a short. Look at that. It's gonna hit the low of the day. Are you serious here? Let's see. And I'm sorry, not NVIDIA. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yes, NVIDIA. Sorry, I'm getting confused with the ticker names here. There it is. NVIDIA going short. Wow. Look at the drop, guys.
My God, yeah. I can't seem to
Look
be
at
on
the
the right
drop.
side of
Like
these
what
things
is
today.
going? This is
Yeah. Darn it.
Mike. Yeah, I agree. So me and Mike started trading around the same time. We started both 2017, I believe, with Vancouver traders at that time. Later Bearable traders.
Oh
But
yeah.
yeah, you
Yep.
too, Peter. You've been around for a while. Me, you, and him been around for some time. And man, yeah,
Yep.
we wish we had the funded account. We wish. This is saved a lot of money. Wow, guys, look at NVIDIA. It's just dropping, made a new low after giving us a fake out long. And yeah, it's just insane.
It is.
I might start a new funded account for Christmas gift if I don't win today. Well, yeah, wait to see if you win today. And if you don't win, then start it. But good luck, man. Hopefully you win one today. We're giving 3 funded accounts away today. So if you win, all you have to do to claim your prize is have a trade terminal membership, which is $99 a month. Then you go to add the funded account. Wow, what's happening with NVIDIA? I'm gonna take a reversal on my funded account, friends, on NVIDIA. I'm gonna take a reversal here. Not yet. I'm gonna wait because it's a lot of bids down at 187. What is going on? You seeing this, Peter? Are you short? You're short NVIDIA, huh?
No.
Oh,
No. I
I
wish I
wish you was.
was.
Yeah. Tesla's gonna go red too, looks like. Um, mm, the madness. I'll put Tesla over here. All right, let's see.
I seem to be on the wrong side of everything today. So it's not working out for me. My trading's not going great.
We're gonna
It's not a
we're gonna
it's not a day
reverse here.
for it's not a day for reversals. At least not for me.
I'm gonna try to do a slingshot move on this right here, on this NVIDIA. I want to buy, let's say 50% here. Oh, damn it! I bought it on Tesla. That's my mistake. Okay. All right, we're long Tesla and NVIDIA. Let's see.
What? Oh,
On my funded
long
account.
Tesla.
Yeah,
Doesn't feel
that
like
was an error trade. That was an error trade because I forgot. You see how you do the little blue thing? I forgot to highlight
yes, yeah.
NVIDIA, and I went long Tesla in error. So
God,
we'll see.
why? Look, I could have just been short NVIDIA where I was trying to go long and it just didn't work in that breakdown. Oh my God, Carlos, why? Why?
That's a
Oh
good
well.
breakdown on an NVIDIA. I think we'll shoot back up, man. Let's see here.
Doesn't look like it.
Oh, doesn't look like it. Come on, don't mess up my funded account. I'm up $9,000. I don't want to mess that up. Come on, go up. All right. Let's put this to 1 minute here. There we go. Wow, everything is dropping. Why is Tesla different than TSLL? So Beth, TSLL is it's a leverage ticker, but it should be the same. Like if they're both dropping, if Tesla's dropping, TSLL is just going to mirror that. So it would drop as well. As you can see here, it's been dropping this morning as well. So all right, I am long on my NVIDIA trade. Let's see if we can get back up here. We're trying. Oh, you're trying to match my charts to yours? Yeah, I'm in the 1 minute on both of these. Peter, market closes regular day today, right? Regular
1
time?
o'clock.
Oh, 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Okay.
No, 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. 1 o'clock.
Yep.
Yep. Mo, my good buddy, welcome, man. Good to have you in the Lambos and Garbage Truck family. So someone was asking me too, how do you join for the giveaways? You're already part of the giveaway because I think you are a Lambos and Garbage Truck member already. So you're in. Just hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed, which you probably are, and you are all set. So you are good to go. You are good to go. And if you want to join Lambos and Garbage Truck, just head over to Barewood Traders and you can join by clicking right next to subscribe. You're going to see a join button. Just click on that. And I think it's very little, $5 for the month. And I believe it's local currency on top of that. So it's very inexpensive, gives you priority stuff, videos, emojis, all that good stuff you can be part of. So yes. All right, my NVIDIA long is working. Let's see here. On the funded account, I'm gonna add. I want to add. Let's add here. On my, make sure I got the right one. NVIDIA. Make sure we click correctly. All right. Gonna add on my NVIDIA long for the slingshot move here. And Tesla was an error trade. I did not want to trade Tesla here. Did not want to go long Tesla. So I might have to get out of here for a loss. For user error. For not making sure I had the right one selected here. Spencer, my good buddy. Welcome to the Lambos and Garbage Truck family, my friend. Good to have you. NVIDIA slingshot move, friends, happening on NVIDIA. There it is. V reversal.
Oh, there's our 10:30. Well, we're only an hour into this market, but
it feels like we've been battling for a lot longer than an hour, man. Right?
It feels does, like doesn't it?
Doesn't it? Feels like half a day already, but.
Well, I mean, it is half of this day, I guess, almost.
Oh, but that's true. Yeah. Yep.
But yes, it does feel longer for sure.
Oh man, I hope I get saved on Tesla. I don't want to mess up my numbers. Come on, Tesla, get green. I'll get out of break even. I won't mess around. All right, NVIDIA doing very well. Good. And Tesla struggling. No, I made an error. Ajit. I think I remember Ajit. Yeah, I made an error on Tesla. I did not want to go along here. I meant to go long NVIDIA, and I had Tesla selected by mistake on my funded account. So it was an error. I would not have taken that long because I did not look long at all on Tesla. So. Let's see. All right, Tesla's pushing high. NVIDIA's pushing higher. Nice V reversal. Let's see if we can get to VWAP. Struggling right now.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see. I'm going to take the small win on NVIDIA.
Yeah, NVIDIA's tough to tell where it wants to go. admittedly, I'm long with you on the bounce here. I added into it, figuring I was going to go try for a big move higher back to VWAP on the win, but now that I've added in, it's moved my average up dangerously into this area where it's consolidating here. So I may very well get stopped out again.
Yeah,
let's
I'm
hope
gonna
not,
get out.
But
let's see. Come on, NVIDIA. I'm trying to get it.
Yeah, there you go. I got stopped out on NVIDIA. I added in too aggressively. And my original entry was 187.01, and then I added in, bringing up my average up to 187.16 now. So we'll see what happens here.
I'm like up like $29. Come on. Yeah, I'm getting out. Out. I am out on NVIDIA. And my Tesla was in error. So, I'm going to get out of Tesla too. Get out of this as well. Yes, funded account for 3 people. DBC71, welcome. You will be in the drawing. So if you're a Lambos and Garbage Truck member, you're in the drawing. 3 funded account and 1 elite membership. Annual elite membership. That is awesome. So first time here, subscribe. Come back on Friday. I'm sure Friday will probably do something else as well. I need a new book, a new list of ebooks. We got some ebooks. I got Spanish books too. I know we don't have a lot of Spanish traders, but if you're a Spanish trader, email me. I got Spanish ebooks that I would love to give out to you. The one condition is you have to leave us a review once you're done, an honest review. But if you're a Spanish trader, reach out to us. Call us at bearwithtraders.com. I got some ebooks that we can provide you for you guys to take a look at. So definitely reach out to me. All right. Let's see. Tesla's going, trying. I'm still long Tesla on an error trade. You want to ride in the Lambo? Should you raffle? Yeah, well, listen, when we have our meetup set, we'll raffle out Lambo rides. We won't let you drive it. We'll drive you. For insurance purposes, we won't let you drive it. We'll drive you. We'll give you.
I don't think we have the insurance for that. Yeah.
Yeah. We'll give you a ride in the Lambo. Absolutely. So we'll raffle that away. That is no problem, my friend. I'm giving away like.
Assuming Andrew still has it, isn't his lease coming up sometime soon?
Yeah.
You'll have to get a real car after that.
I know he loves the car. I just don't know if he drives it enough to have it, like to justify having it. But I think almost everyone that can afford and have a Lambo probably doesn't drive it enough anyway, because they're usually traveling doing other fun stuff. So that's probably just the way it goes. Here it is. Tesla doing some stuff, right? So my error trade is gonna work, and NVIDIA might actually end up working now, but I'm out of it now. All right, I'm gonna do something reckless here, but I am gonna add on my Tesla trade, and I say reckless on my funded account. I'm not doing anything reckless on my regular account, not yet, at least. All right, let's see.
Not yet. You plan to go reckless later?
Later. All right. So, wow, Tesla's giving us something here. You're Spanish. Your name is Rosario? Rosario. Email me, carlos@bearwithtraders.com. No, meaning if you can read Spanish, you don't got to be actually Spanish. If you can read Spanish, I don't want to give you an ebook that you can't read, right? So if you could read Spanish, and it's not an ebook actually, it's audiobook. If you can understand Spanish, we got some Spanish audiobooks, right? So.
Or if you just want to listen to Spanish, I mean, I guess you don't really have to understand it if you really want the book, I guess. Just know it's going to be in Spanish.
It's gonna be in
Not sure
Spanish.
why you would listen to it. Maybe you just like the lilting tones of the Spanish language. Why not?
Yes. All right, Tesla. Okay, here we go. Tesla's doing some stuff. Come on, get up there. Get up there, Tesla.
Yep. In my gone crazy trading day here, I am long Tesla as well because I saw it bottoming there and it looked like finally, a good reversal pattern. My stops at break even. So I got in, I added again. I got to make back for these losses. So I keep adding. Seems to be my downfall here because if I hadn't added on NVIDIA, for example, I could have still been in this. It never came back to my entry.
Yeah.
Came close. Never came back to my original entry. So.
All right. Can I get 10? Can I get a move here? Let's see. All right, friends, waiting for Tesla to do some stuff. NVIDIA did push up.
Oh. Andrew's looking at your funded account, Carlos.
Yeah, I'm trying to get 10 grand. I'm at 70 right now. I lost a little bit on NVIDIA earlier. Let me see if I can get to 10. Come on, Tesla. But I got to reset it because I did get lucky on like a BYND trade. You know.
Let's go to VWAP. Let's go to VWAP, Tesla.
On Tesla, right? Yes.
That'd be good.
Let's go to VWAP. That would get me 3 grand. I mean, to my 10,000 here. We go to VWAP.
Yeah, you just need another $300.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Not even 230.
230. Okay.
This. Come on, let's go. You can do it. Let's put some limit orders. What about that, huh? So this is basically your montage here, which has been upgraded with a bunch of really nice tools like the Hot Advanced Risk Management Key, which we have videos on YouTube, and you could do limit orders. So let's put a limit order here. Let's say 39 shares, 481. I don't know if we'll get there. Oh, come on. Oh, look at that. My little triangle at 480. See if we can get up there.
I added in to Tesla again, hoping
Peter, you are like
higher.
You are not messing around.
I gotta make. No, I gotta make up for my losses here. So
Peter's trying to make.
I'm being aggressive on these trades.
Peter's trying to make this Christmas money and next. My goodness, let's go, Peter. I love it, love it. All right. Oh, you're getting a move now. Here it is. Let's see, 480. Come on, let's get 480. Oh, yes. Get up there, 480. Come on, don't pull back. Don't be like that.
480. There you go.
Right there, I got filled. All right. I need 180 more. Oh, we're right there, friends. Let's do 480. Let's do another. Let's sell 25 shares at let's do 480, 75. Just in case. Yeah. Come on. Let's see if we can push higher there, friends. On Tesla. MU died off, right? Kind of went sideways a little bit. Had a beautiful run this morning, guys. Here's let's take a look at MU. Oop, did that wrong. MU. Here it is, Micron. Yeah, so it's kind of slowing down a little bit after. Look at this. Incredible push up. And then kind of slowing down a little bit now. But, man, that was a great trade this morning, man. MU was really doing some stuff. No, Tesla, come on, man.
Surprisingly well. I said I don't like MU, but it moved. I can't argue that.
Yeah.
I mean, my NVDA certainly didn't treat me well today. That didn't work out. Look at NVIDIA now.
NVIDIA was tough,
now
man.
It's just going sideways.
Yeah, NVIDIA was brutal to us, man. NVIDIA was very bad to us today. But yesterday was glorious. It's crazy. Like we can go from one end to the other, but today was pretty tough. All right, one more shot. I'm trying to get to 480.75 is my next partial on my funded account for Tesla. Let's see if we can get up there. All right, you're long on TSL on your cash account, so your real account. Very nice. Been waiting for MU short in the train terminal simulator. You might be getting it now. There might be something there. You have a funded account as well? Are you trading a funded account? Gerard, welcome, man. Good to have you. Glad you subscribed. Yeah, guys, if you're on the channel, you're enjoying the stream, subscribe. We're on every time the market is open, all the way from 8:30 a.m. to noon, right? So stick around here. No raffle, yeah, it's coming up. So yeah, stick around. We got the raffle coming up. Lambos and Garbage Truck members, we'll do a special raffle for you guys, then one for everybody else. But and even on the one that includes everybody, if you're a Lambos and Garbage Truck member, you get ×4. So you get more tickets in the little wheel thingy. So here it is. No, I did not take Tesla short. No, I didn't. Unfortunately. That was a nice drop.
We didn't.
And the NVIDIA short too.
Took the good moves. We missed all the good moves and took the bad ones. Some days that happens, right? You're just on the wrong side of the moves.
Unfortunately. Come on, Tesla. Let's get that 480.75, 481. You're still long, right, Peter, on your actual account?
Yeah, I added again.
Okay, nice.
I'm going for broke in this. It's I added
Peter's
now. Yeah, it's
Is either Lambo or garbage truck for Peter. He's taking the.
I've added 4 times, you can see on this trade, and only partialed once. So
yeah,
that's not my normal type of trading.
That's not. You're going for Lambo or garbage truck here. That's what you're doing. I like it. It's looking good right now though. So
moved my average up to 479. 479 even is my new break even. So yeah, I'm hoping that we get all the way up to 481.
Yes, let's see.
VWAP is 4110.
4144 is what I have. But let's see. Here it is, guys. Okay, let's see if we get filled. See if we get filled, and that right there will put us at 10 grand if we get up there. It's trying. It's going for it.
Who's trading? Humorous? Who? That's a good question. Who is this trading? Is it me or is it Andrew? Maybe I'm channeling Andrew here today. Well, not very effectively though. Andrew normally is doing a lot better than this.
Your inner Andrew.
Like I'm channeling a broken Andrew. But all right, so let's get higher. 40, 480, 50 now. Let's see if we can get to 481. That would be awesome. Hello, everybody.
Yeah.
Welcome to Overtrading Christmas Eve. How's everybody doing in the chat room? It's all the hats. The hats apparently they've cooked my head, and I don't know what I'm doing.
Good morning,
anymore.
everybody.
Hello,
Good morning,
Andrew.
sir.
How are you doing, sir?
Good. How are you?
You know, I'm doing okay. I'm feeling good. My P&L's not doing too good, but
you look great, Peter. I like that.
Yeah, we got all sorts of colors going on here.
Very nice. So, Carlos, I see that you're making really good money on the funded account. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
That's amazing. That is very nice. I had a pretty bad day, guys. Unfortunately, we made, I gave some of the profit back from the last couple of days. It's NVDA and AMD is freaking, they're really difficult to get any breakout on them. So just decided
No
not to
kidding.
trade. And then we were actually having a conversation with the people in the chat room about the funded account that we're having. So it's going pretty well. So, as we started kind of in September. Go full screen, Carlos, and you can see all these people that, um, we made a lot of profits. So for the people who actually made money, so Connor, Damir, Cameron, Angela, John, so these are all the payments that we paid last week. And we have a lot of traders that actually are open right now. That they're really going up pretty well. So these are, some of them are ineligible, but some of them are really making really good money. So I'm actually super excited to pay the profits as they're finishing the 3 months. So this is a really good program because people are really can go through the harshness of market and see what's going to happen to them. This is one of the messages that we got from Cameron. I just sent the invoice. I cannot thank you enough for the learning opportunities, blah, 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 blah. So that's very important, guys, to go through this program because it really helps you to see the difficulty of live trading, especially when it comes into the psychology. So highly recommended that guys go through the program. And Carlos, you can give 3 funded account free today to members of Lambo and Garbage Truck. And now that the program is very well established, you can actually do one free funded account every day to the members of Lambo and Garbage Truck. And if someone wins twice, you can use the other one when it blew up the other one. So you can just continue having that once a day. But you must have a trading terminal membership. It's just that the funded account, entry would be free. Other than that, we are doing pretty bad. So the rest is, today was not a great day, but Merry Christmas, guys. I'm really, Brian with his hat. I'm very grateful for this year. It was amazing. I published a new book, a couple of journals. We had a really amazing TEDx conference. We did, Market Atlas, Trading Terminal launched it. It was a really great year for me. I climbed a big mountain. So pretty successful year for everybody, I think, in the community.
Yeah, it was a good year. 2025 in the books, as they say, almost.
Yeah, it went by really fast, though.
It did. Years are flying by. And SPY at all-time high.
Yeah, SPY very close to all-time high. Hasn't got that. Very close to all-time high, guys. It's history for the Christmas Santa. Oh yeah, so Farid is asking about my trades. Pretty garbage trades I did. So at the open, I went long for NVIDIA for the breakup pre-market high, 188.76. Got it stopped out. And then I took another long for the double bottom, got it stopped out. And last time, I went long and then I got it stopped out, which after that dropped. And in all of the Market Atlas was really bearish. So I don't know why I took that trade long. Market Atlas was always showing this big orders to the downside, and that's something that you really want to stay away from. So that's, I think AMD was also the same thing. I wanted to try to get so long AMD for 1 minute mid-range breakup. I really wanted to 217, got it stopped out again, stopped out again, stopped out 4 times, and really lost money on all of them. So yeah, that's unfortunately overtrading, and none of them had the follow through really. But SPY looks like it really wants to go to all-time high today.
Yeah, well, it's back at high of day right now. And unfortunately, I had a short on Tesla, but I didn't stick with it when it got to PDC. I really thought it was going to bounce there, so I got out of it. So that was, in retrospect, that was a real disappointment. And I did play a bounce off S4. Actually played it to the long side. But Yeah, the other trade I did was OMER, shorted it when it started to roll over and went through the 9 EMA. So that was probably my best trade.
Wow. All right, so
And it's coming back right now.
all right, so SPY is making all-time high very soon, hopefully. Carlos, do you want to give the funded account to members of Lambo and Garbage Truck?
Yes, let's do it.
Did you add 1 year elite membership, guys?
Yeah, let's do funded account first. I'll set it up. Let's do hashtag funded. Setting it up right now.
Hashtag funded. Nice.
All right, beautiful. It's coming in nicely.
Guys, make sure funded account for Lambos and Garbage Truck. 3 free funded account. And again, guys, condition is you must have the trading terminal monthly plan because the monthly plan is a requirement of the NASDAQ and CME Group Exchange, so we can't really have that one for free.
All right, friends, this is the first one on here. Here we go. First winner goes to Lisk 561. So congratulations,
Nice.
my friends.
Congratulations.
All right, one more, 2 more. James Laurie, good buddy in chat. Congrats. All right, so James, congratulations. And last one for the funded account going to Fire Guy 965. So congratulations, guys. Email me, carlos@bilbertrades.com, and we'll send you the instructions. And remember, we're going to do this once every day. Andrew committed to that, so we'll do it again on Friday if you didn't win today. Good luck next time.
Yeah, and now Elite Annual Membership.
All right, I'll set up the annual elite membership. Let's see here. And friends, hashtag BBT for this one. Hashtag BBT. And there it is. It's setting up. So we'll give it a little second, couple of seconds here for you guys to do the hashtag BBT. All right, let's see here. All right, excellent. Okay, there it is. All right, here's everyone. And the winner is Ajit from Boston. All right.
Oh, Ajit just joined the bootcamp. Congratulations, Ajit.
Oh, nice.
He did just join the bootcamp just today.
Oh, that's right. He did. So. Yes, he did.
Yeah,
he was joining.
It's okay. Ajit, you get a 1 year extra. So you have, I think, 2 years of BBT membership. Congratulations. Yeah.
Awesome.
There you go.
Lucky.
Congrats, man.
Carlos.
Lucky, yeah.
Carlos, why don't you give away one of my options books? We'll do a
yeah, let's do it. Hashtag, keep the hashtag BBT. Let's do a options book for Brian. So here it is. The winner for that goes to Lornar 4392. Congratulations, you got it. Brian's options book. Awesome, guys.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Yes.
Merry Christmas, guys. Okay, guys, remember, guys, today only 2 hours left to the market. Market closes at 1. It looks like a SPY once all-time high. What a great thing! Like a last hour of before Christmas, you make all-time high. Tomorrow market is closed, but Boxing Day, which is Friday, the market is open. So we're gonna be trading. I'll be trading, and it's full trading hours.
And we'll be looking for another all-time high.
Yeah, it's just all-time high, all-time high.
Yes. All-time high. Send you claim by sending Carlos an email.
Yes, guys, email Carlos at
The hat, I can give
bearroutines.com.
away the hat next. Oh, what happened, Andrew? I thought you were going to get a hat yesterday. They all sold out.
I know. I forgot to buy the hats. I don't know. I mean, it's probably too late now. Yeah.
I got some extras for you here.
Yeah. Just put one extra
Yeah,
for yourself.
I got lots
Peter's
of
the
hats.
hat man. He's got
Christmas hats. I do like my Christmas hats.
Peter, it was great trading with you. Sorry, we made some
Likewise.
jokes about you. So I know that you are the person that we actually make a lot of jokes about. So you and John, thank you so much for taking our jokes.
That's all right. We're good.
Love that. Yeah. And it was really great trading. Thanks for everybody. And we were thinking of doing one meetup in Austin, maybe end of January, because I really like to go back to Austin. I'm considering moving and living in Austin. It's a great city. And I think we have the money show at the end of February. So we do have live trading, and also we do have actually they put me on the cover too as well. So that's nice. So I'm actually on the cover as well. So
23rd, 24th.
Oh, I'm at the cover.
23rd, 24th in Vegas.
23 to 25th. So it's free, guys. It's really good conference. So they were nice to put me also on the cover. So that's nice. I'm here. And
which one? Are you the bull or the bear in that ring?
I'm behind the bear. So that would be nice. So to come, I think there's a lot of people coming. I think Thor is coming, Brian is coming, Nathan is coming. So I think we have quite a few of community members are coming. So that's nice to join if you want. And then maybe for September, October, maybe we can do another summit, maybe in Toronto or another big metropolitan.
Yep, that would be good. All right. Well, everybody enjoy your day off tomorrow, whatever you're ending up doing, family and friends, hopefully. And we'll see you all on Friday.
Yeah, absolutely. Is Thor coming today for YouTube?
Sure.
We're going to cut the broadcast a little short, I think, today, if in light of the holidays. Thor's taking the day off.
Yes.
So.
Well, good. Yeah, makes sense. Christmas Eve, I bring all the people in the office all the way to 5, like they hate me right now. I said, no, come in, come in. I have nothing else to do. You guys have to come as well. Any question, guys, before we really wrap up this trading day? SPY is gonna make the all-time high. Oh, actually, SPY is like 20 cents to all-time high, guys.
Yeah, it's as
So
high
history
now.
is being made.
Yep.
Just let's witness history. Any question, guys, before we go? Yeah, exactly.
All right, guys.
No question, guys, about life.
SPY continues to climb. Most of the ticks are not doing much. Well, honestly, I mean, what's driving the market up is obviously buying in some sectors. It doesn't seem to be tech related, except MU had a really strong day. It's just sort of a broad-based buying. Everybody, Santa Claus is coming to town. But yeah, today the options market is going to be a little bit strange because it's a short trading day. People were noting that options, the volatility premium in the options wasn't as high, and that's just because it's a shortened trading day. So not as much move priced in. So yeah, MU's really been on a tear today. Missed that one, but a few of our traders did catch that. I think Carlos caught that one too. So anyway, everyone, we'll catch you all Friday. Have a good rest of the day, and be safe if you're traveling. And we'll see you on the other side of Christmas.
Awesome, guys. Yeah, have a good Christmas and see you guys on Friday. Ciao, ciao.